In this video, I'm going to explain how to export your sitemap as a CSV file. So first, go to Extension and click Manage Extensions. And go to Extension Store. And on the search bar, enter Link Grabber. When you find it, click for the detail and click Add Chrome, the big blue button. And confirm. And now it's added. So you can go to extension. If it's not showing in your bar, you can find it from the list. And if you like, you can pin by clicking a little pin icon. So it sticks to the top if you use frequently. And now go to the website you want to download the links and click that. And it shows all the links and then click little gray button. Now it's on the clipboard. So open the spreadsheet of any kind. You can use Google Sheet or anything and paste it in a cell. Now it's listed everything there. So now you need to download. So File, go to Download and choose CSV or whatever the form you want. And it's downloaded into your computer. That's it.